Hello, and welcome to English Daily Spark. Take a deep breath. Relax. Today, we will practice daily English conversation at home. Many learners understand English, but at home, they speak only their native language. Today, we will change that. You will listen, and then you will repeat. Slowly, calmly, just like a real conversation. Let's begin. Mother, good morning. Son, good morning, Mom. Mother, did you sleep well? Son, yes, I slept well. Mother, it is morning now. Please wake up. Son, okay, I am getting up. Mother, breakfast will be ready soon. Son, thank you. Now listen again. Mother, come and sit at the table. Son, okay, I'm coming. Mother, what do you want for breakfast? Son, I want tea and eggs. Mother, do you want bread? Son, yes, please. Mother, here you go. Son, thank you. Mother, eat slowly. Son, okay. Now repeat. Come and sit at the table. What do you want for breakfast? I want tea and eggs. Do you want bread? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. Eat slowly. Great job. Listen carefully. Mother, what are you doing? Son, I am watching TV. Mother, did you finish your homework? Son, not yet. Mother, please finish it first. Son, okay, I will do it now. Mother, good. Now repeat. What are you doing? I am watching TV. Did you finish your homework? Not yet. Please finish it first. I will do it now. Very nice. Father, hello, I am home. Son, hello, Dad. Father, how was your day? Son, my day was good. Father, did you study today? Son, yes, I studied English. Father, very good. Son, thank you. Now repeat slowly. How was your day? My day was good. Did you study today? Yes, I studied English. Very good. Thank you. Excellent. Remember something important. English improves with daily practice, not with stress, not with fear. Just speak a little every day. Even simple sentences can build strong confidence. Today you learned daily English conversations used at home. Practice these sentences again. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and little by little, your English will become natural. Thank you for practicing with English Daily Spark. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep speaking.